of maths with Sarah, a true lover of maths. Trigonometry is entirely a new branch of maths for class 10 students. So it contains lots of new concepts too. Learning the concepts of trigonometry using geometry is just a fun. I am back with one more video on trigonometry. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. What are complementary angles? What are complementary angles? If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then they are said to be complementary angles. If the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, then they are said to be complementary angles. I am drawing a right triangle here, A, B, C. Angle B is 90 degree. Do you see any complementary angles here? Yeah, angle A and angle C are complementary angles. Why? Using angle sum property. Since angle B is equal to 90 degree, the sum of rest two angles is equal to 90 degree. Since angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle A plus angle C is also equal to 90 degree using angle sum property. Okay, that means angle A and angle C are complementary angles. I am naming this angle C as theta. Then what about angle A? Angle C is theta. Then angle A is equal to 90 minus theta. So we can write 90 minus theta here. Angle C is equal to theta, then angle A is equal to 90 minus theta. Now I am going to write trigonometric ratios with respect to theta and with respect to 90 minus theta. First of all, trigonometric ratios with respect to theta. Then with respect to theta, we know Pandit, Badari, Prasad, Hari, Bol. Sin, cos, tan, Pandit, Badari, Prasad, Hari, Bol. Okay, what is sin theta? With respect to theta, AB is the perpendicular or opposite side, AC is the hypotenuse and BC is the base or adjacent side. Then what about sin theta? Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is perpendicular here? Perpendicular is AB. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC. Now, what is cos theta? Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. What is base? BC. BC upon AC. BC upon AC. What about tan theta? Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular here? AB upon BC. The rest of the three ratios are the reciprocal ratios. So what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is equal to AC upon AB, and sec theta is the reciprocal ratio of cos theta, that is AC upon BC, and cot theta is equal to reciprocal ratio of tan theta, so BC upon AC. Now we will write trigonometric ratios with respect to 90 minus theta, with respect to A, that is with respect to 90 minus theta. Now what is sin 90 minus theta? With respect to 90 minus theta, what is the perpendicular? BC is the perpendicular and AB is the base. BC is the opposite side or perpendicular, AB is the base or adjacent side. Now what is sin 90 minus theta? We know sin theta means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is the perpendicular here? BC upon AC, isn't it? Now what is cos 90 minus theta? Cos is base by hypotenuse. What is base here? AB is the base. So AB upon AC, isn't it? Now what is tan 90 minus theta? Tan is perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular here? BC. What is base here? AB. So BC upon AB. Rest of the three ratios are the reciprocal ratios of these three ratios. Okay. Now cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is a reciprocal of sin 90 minus theta. That is AC upon BC. Okay. Now sec 90 minus theta is equal to AC upon AB, and cot 90 minus theta is a reciprocal of tan 90 minus theta. That is AB upon BC. Okay. Now we are going to relate these two ratios. Look at this. Sin theta is equal to AB by AC. Cos 90 minus theta is also equal to AB by AC. 1, 2. Look at this two. Sin theta is AB by AC and cos 90 minus theta is also AB by AC. Relating this two, we get cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Is it clear? Now, what is cos theta? BC upon AC. What is sin 90 minus theta? Again BC upon AC. So relate this two, 3 and 4. Relating 1 and 2, we get cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Relating 3 and 4, we get what? Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now look at these two ratios. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to BC upon AB and cot theta is also BC upon AB. Now name this as 5 and 6. On relating these two, right hand side equal, so we can equate the left hand side. So what can we write? Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Okay. Now look at cot 90 minus theta and tan theta. Both are AB by BC. AB by BC is cot 90 minus theta and tan theta is also AB by BC. 1 and 2, this is 3 and 4, this is 5 and 6, okay, this is 7 and 8. So comparing 7 and 8, we get cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. What are the ratios remaining? Sec theta and cosec theta. Look at the ratios. Cosec 90 minus theta is AC by BC and sec theta is also AC by BC. So what can we write? Like this, we can write sec 90 minus theta, sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta and cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Is it clear? These are the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Why is it so? Because sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta is BC upon AC. That is the same as cos theta. In this way, they are related. So what can we write? Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta and cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta and sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. Okay, is it clear? This is the reason. The main reason behind sin 30 is equal to cos 60 and cos 30 is equal to sin 60 is this, because what is sin 90 minus theta? Cos theta. Sin 30 can be written as cos 60. Why? Sin 30 is equal to sin 90 minus 60. Sin 30 can be written as sin 90 minus 60. 90 minus 60 is 30. So this can be written as sin 90 minus 60. What is sin 90 minus theta? Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So we can write cos 60. Okay. Here theta is 60 degrees. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sin 30 is equal to cos 60. We have already learned this, isn't it? Similarly, cos 30 is also equal to sin 60. The same reason behind 0 and 90 diagonally equal is also this. Sin 0 is the same as cos 90. Cos 0 is the same as sin 90. Isn't it interesting? Okay, now we will solve some questions related to trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. First question, evaluate sin 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. How can we evaluate this? Look at these two angles, 18 plus 72. What is 18 plus 72? 70 plus 10, 80 plus 10, 90. Means 72 and 18 are complementary angles. Okay. We can write one in terms of another. Means we know 72 plus 18 is equal to 90 degree. So we can write sin 18 as sin 90 minus 72. Is it possible? Yes. Why? 18 is equal to 90 minus 72. Is it clear? We know what is sin 90 minus theta. We know sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. What is theta here? Theta is 72 degree. So what can we write? We can write this as cos 72. Clear? Now substitute the value of sin 18 as cos 72 here. So what is the final answer? Sin 18 upon cos 72 is the same as cos 72 upon cos 72. Cancelling, we get the answer as 1. Cancelling cos 72 and cos 72, we get the answer as 1. Only change one of the ratios, not both. Okay? Then we will do second question. Tan 25 upon cot 65. Look at the angles. What is 25 plus 65 is equal to 60 plus 20, 80 plus 10, 90. Means these two are complementary angles. Okay. Then what can we write? We can write tan 25 as tan 90 minus tan 25. 25 is 90 minus 65. So we can write tan 25 as tan 90 minus 65. Isn't it? What is tan 90 minus theta? We have learned tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Okay. So we can write what is theta here? 65 degree. So what is tan 90 minus 65? That is equal to cot 65. Replacing the value here, we can write it as tan 25 upon cot 65 is equal to cot 65 upon cot 65. Cancelling both, we get the answer as 1. One more question. Sec 20 cosec 70. We know 20 plus 70 is equal to 90 degree. Means they are complementary angles. So how can we write this? Sec 20 can be written as sec 90 minus 70 upon, write cosec 70 as 70 itself. You can either change numerator or denominator. Don't change both. You can change denominator also, no problem. Now, what is sec 90 minus theta? Sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. We know sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. So, what is sec 90 minus 70? That is equal to cosec 70. Cosec 70 upon cosec 70 is equal to 1. Very easy, isn't it? Just the application of complementary angles. Remember, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Remember in pairs. Sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. What are the ratios left? Cosec and sec. Cosec 90 minus theta, sec 90 minus theta, cosec theta. Is it clear? Okay, we will come with more problems. Hope the concept of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles is clear to you now. If you have any doubt, comment below. Hope you are enjoying my classes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye till next video.